Hey everyone, Donna Vincent here with Monarch Virtual Consulting. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your business address and phone number underneath your site title or your logo, as well as if you want to put your phone number, for example, underneath the call to action button. I am working in 7.1, so be aware of that. It'll be a little bit different if you're in 7.0. We'll be putting this code into the custom CSS area. We get there from design, custom CSS. And let me just move this down. The first thing I'll show you is adding your business address underneath the site title. Now we're adding it to the header title text, and we're adding it after the header. And my content is my address and phone number, and I put important after it. We're displaying it as block. If I remove this, it goes up on the same line as the site title. You can change the font size. You can change the color. You can change the font family. Oops. Let me just fix this. And you'll notice when I change these things, the font size, the color, the font family, the site title information does not change. Only this address and phone number changes. If you have a logo up here instead of the site title, the only difference is, and it won't change. I'll just show you what the code is there. The only difference is you'll be changing the header title text to header title logo. And then all the other information is the same. Let me just copy that in so you can see the full code. So this is the only difference. You're changing header title text to header title logo. Now, if you want to put, for example, your phone number underneath your call to action, let me copy in that code. And there's a phone number. And the same thing, I added padding here to the top because if I take out the padding, you'll see it's too close to the button. So you can adjust the padding, play around with that. I wanted it to align center. Display block is the same. You can change the font size, change the font color, and it only affects this phone number or whatever you put under there. And that's how you can add your information into the header. And if I change the layout, let me save all this. If I change the layout of my header, it will follow it. And let's see here, this way. Now the address is still underneath my site title, and it will still be underneath your logo if that's what you have, and my phone number is still underneath there. So whatever layout you decide to use, it still works the same way. So play around with that, have fun with it. I hope that was helpful.